Good morning class 10th. How you all are? How is your preparations going? And student, please keep attending the class regularly and give the proper attendance. Okay students? I know that you all are well. Okay students? And in today's class, we are going to start new chapter from the book First Flight. Chapter number 4 from the diary of Anne Frank. It may be that you had already read about this book or some other part of this book, because the diary of Anne Frank or diary of a young girl is one of the most read books in the world. It is a diary entry of a young girl, 12-13 years old, a Jewish girl who lived in Germany. This book was originally written in Dutch language, but then it got translated to many languages. And as I had already said, it is one of the most read book in the world. Actually, if we just say about Anne Frank, her life is some touching, है ना? Something actually she went to the concentration camp during the World War II. You might have learned this thing in your history, है ना? The Germany and the Hitler and all those things. She was almost she had spent 1 year in a concentration camp, and even she was died there in a very young age. So when she was 13 years old, her parents had gifted her a diary, and she started writing in the diary. A part of that diary we are dealing in this chapter. And as I had already said that she was a very creative girl, and the diary writing was very touching and very emotional, and she had presented it in a very good way. So I think before starting the chapter, we should definitely read about Anne Frank. So we will start it in page number 48. Okay students? Anneliese Maria Anne Frank, 12 June 1929, February or March 1945. So it was her full name, that is Anneliese Maria, and we will call her Anne Frank or Anne. She was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. So Jewish is a name of religion, है ना? Anne Frank was a Jewish girl who used to live in Germany, but she was forced to move to Netherlands because in that place the Nazis, they were just killing, and they were just occupying the Jewish people. They were brutally or harassed. So she with her family, they moved to Netherlands to hide. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped with the Nazis' occupation extended into Netherlands. As persecution means harassed, against the Jewish population increased. The family went to hiding in July 1942 in the hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So as this family was Jewish family, and when Nazis they got power, so they were just killing, and they were just brutally harassing. They were sending the Jewish people to concentration camp. The treatment which were given to Jewish, that was very terrible. That was very bad. So Anne with her family, she moved, and they were hiding in their father's office for almost 2 years. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. Betrayed means cheated, and transported to concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus. Typhus is a name of fever. in Bergen-Belsen within the days of her sister. Margaret Frank, her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war was ended to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took the action to have it published in the English under under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So actually basically the name of diary is Diary of Young Girl, but it is also called Diary of Anne Frank. So we had seen that in a very young age she was put in the concentration camp, and about concentration camp I am not detailing too much. I hope you have learned it in the history, है ना? So basically the concentration camp is for the Jewish, and they were just forced there to live in a very bad way. So most of the people, they died in the concentration camp. Even every member of Anne's family, they died. Only her father was a survivor, Ott Frank. And when he again come to Netherlands after the when the World War was finished, he thought that this diary is very nice and it should be published. So he was one person who tried to publish it and made the diary published. So although Anne was not with us, but her feelings was with us. So although she died in a very young age, but the book made Anne to live till today. The diary was given to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday, and chronicles means memorize, important, the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until it was final entry of 1 August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of world's most widely read book. There have also been several films, television, theatrical production, and even an opera. Opera is a kind of song based on the diary, described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. Insightful mind means a vision of mind. Although while making this diary entry, she was just 13 years old. But the way she presented in the diary, it was not seems as a 13-year-old girl, but it seems that it was a mature person who knows many things about the life. So that is the power of this diary entry, which was made by Anne. The diary provides an intimate examination of her life under Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of Holocaust victim. Holocaust means victimized बोल सकते हैं. Means we had seen that उस concentration camp में बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत पीड़ित किया जाता था. So one of victim of those concentration camp had made a beautiful diary writing, and today in our class we are going to know about her diary entry, and already we had discussed about Anne Frank's life. Before starting this chapter, we have small activity, and I am going to give a small homework related to it. Journal, diary, log and memoir. These four things are very closely related, है ना? So I will explain it to you what they are and what you have to do. Few examples are given here, है ना? You have to say that which writing is example of what. So first is journal. What is journal? A full record of a journey, a person, period of time or an event. Writing written every day. So journal, it starts with J. Journal is an entry related to journey. Journey also start with J, है ना? So कोई भी journey का जो हर day का जो record होता है, that is called journal. Second is diary. A book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. So I hope diary you have seen, you know, the page, in every page the day, date, everything is mentioned, and what particularly you feel on that particular day, that you can mention in that space. Log, a written record of events with time and date, usually official. So basically this log is used in the official. For example, जो गेट पे जो वॉचमैन बैठता है वो एक लॉग मेंटेन करता है कि कौन कितने बजे आया, कौन कितने बजे गया. सो लॉग इज समथिंग ऑफिशियल. देन लास्ट वन इज मेमोयर, a record of person owns life and experience, usually a famous person. तो मेमोयर क्या होता है, वो किसी फेमस पर्सन के लाइफ का रिकॉर्ड होता है. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस फोर थिंग. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने क्लास में डिस्कस कर लिया. द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज योर होमवर्क, where few extracts are given and you have to identify that this extract is whether a journal or log or diary entry or memoir. Clear students? Okay. Now we will start the chapter. Page number 50. Writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. Me means Anne Frank. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing. Musing means thinking or one's own reflection of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it does not matter. I feel like writing, and I have an ever greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Off my chest means to express something. Clear student? So as we had seen that Anne Frank got the diary when she was 13 years old, and what she's saying that writing, it may be a strange experience, especially for her. Why it is a special or strange experience for her? She is giving two reasons. The first reason she is saying that शायद वो पहली बार लिख रही है. डेफिनेटली आप भी कुछ काम जब पहले बार करते हैं, आपने जब पहले साइकिल चलाया था, बाइक चलाया था या फिर कुछ खाना बनाया था, that was a very strange experience for you. The second one, she is saying that she is doing it because she wants the kind of things off my chest. That means she want to express herself. She want to mark each things, each feeling in her life. So in the first paragraph, and she is giving two reasons that she was very much excited before the diary entry. The first one is that it was first experience, something new for her. Second, she wanted to express herself. She is also saying that the first point, that it is first for her, it is not something special, but more important is that she want to express herself in the diary. Second paragraph, paper has more patience than people. So it's a very strange sentence. Paper has more patience than people. Why Anne is saying that the paper means her diary. When she is saying paper, it means her diary. She is saying that paper is having more patience than people. That also we will see that why she is having one such experience. I thought of that saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at the home with my chin in my hand, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. Listless means with no energy. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Brooding means worry, परेशान होना. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, this word is used for डायरी है ना. नॉर्मली इफ यू हैव सीन द फर्स्ट और द कवर पेज ऑफ डायरी, इट इज वेरी स्टिफ, बहुत कड़ा होता है ना. सो दैट इज व्हाई शी इज सेइंग दैट स्टिफ बैक्ड डायरी, grandly referred to as a diary. Unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit difference. So in this paragraph you can see that first Anne is saying that people does not have that much patience, but paper is having more patience. She is saying this because she is reminding of one day. उसको अपने एक दिन के बारे में याद आता है. That day she was completely bored. She was listless. That means she was having no energy. She was just sitting there. She was getting bored. And then what happened? She wanted to express herself. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि काश उसके पास कोई ट्रू फ्रेंड होता तो वो शायद कुछ उसको एक्सप्रेस करती अपनी फीलिंग को. एंड शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस हर सेल्फ. सो वॉट शी जस्ट वॉज सर्चिंग फॉर अ रियल फ्रेंड. और उसको कोई एक रियल फ्रेंड नहीं मिलता जिसके साथ वो बैठ के बहुत सारी बातें कर सके. तो तब उसको ऐसा फील होता है कि डेफिनेटली अगर काश एक उसका फ्रेंड होता तो वो शायद अपने आप को अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर पाती, उसको बोर भी नहीं लगता. एंड एज देयर वाज नो पर्सन, शी थॉट दैट शी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन द डायरी व्हाट शी वांट टू से. मतलब उसको जो भी किसी से कुछ बात करना था वो अब किसी और को नहीं बताएगी, बट उसको डायरी में नोट करने वाली थी. सो दिस इज हाउ एन हैड स्टार्टेड हर डायरी. शी इज सीइंग अ रियल फ्रेंड इन हर diary. Now I am back to the point that prompted me. Prompted means किसी को provoke करना है ना, किसी को मतलब force करना कुछ चीज करने के लिए. To keep a diary in the first place, I don't have a friend. So as in the previous paragraph 2, we have seen that Anne was saying a real friend, a true friend, a best friend in her diary. एन एक ऐसी लड़की थी जिसको बहुत बात करने की आदत थी, और शायद जो उसके फ्रेंड्स थे, जो उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स थे, उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं था कि वो एन को बैठ के सुन सके. सो शी वांटेड टू एक्सप्रेस हरसेल्फ. सो शी इज नाउ सेइंग अ ट्रू फ्रेंड इन द डायरी, एंड शी हैड शेयरिंग एवरीथिंग विद द डायरी. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, and I am not. I have not loving parents. Sorry, I have a loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. And there are about 30 people I can call friend. So maybe these 30 people are her classmates. I have a family, loving aunt, a good home. No one on the surface I seem to have everything except my true friend. So definitely if I talk about your life, you are also 13, 14 or 15 years old, but you are not having a diary with you, because whenever you want to express yourself, you are able to express it with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives, aunt or anyone. But Anne, she is saying that, means when Anne is saying that she is having no friend, ऐसा नहीं है कि उसकी लाइफ में कोई नहीं. There are parents, sister, 30 people whom she can call friend. Then so many people are around her, but she was searching for a real friend or best friend or diary to which she can express anything which she want, and who have a patience to listen whatever Anne is saying. All I think about when I am with friend is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinarily everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide. Confide means to tell personal things privately to a person that one trusts in each other. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is I have started the diary. So, as Anne had said, that it is not like that when she is saying she does not have a real friend. She have parents, relatives, friends, and sister too. But what she is saying, whenever Anne is with all of them, she wanted to have good time. Good time means she wanted to play with them, she wanted to have lunch or dinner, or she wanted to eat something. In this way, she wanted to have good time with other everyone. But she wanted diary to express everything what had happened in her life. So try to understand that she wanted a diary as a real friend to express her everything that was happening in her life every day. And with her friends, relatives, parents, she just wanted to have some good time. Try to understand the difference. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down. Jot down मतलब हर एक पॉइंट्स को लिखना, हर एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को लिखना. Facts in the diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend. I am going to call it this friend Kitty. So in this paragraph, Anne had named her diary as Kitty. मीन्स डेफिनेटली आप जब एक पेट को अपने घर में लेके आते हैं, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आप उसको एक नाम देते हो. सो इन द सेम वे एज Anne had made friendship with her diary, so now she is not going to call it diary, but as it is her true friend, its name will be Kitty. And Anne is saying that she will not just note down or jot down what all important थिंग्स हैपन इन द लाइफ. जैसे कि आज मुझे टीचर ने वेरी गुड बोला एंड मुझे एक अच्छा फ्रेंड मिला. शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू राइट ऑल दोस थिंग्स, बट शी इज जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस हर फीलिंग इन द डायरी. सो हाउ शी इज एक्सप्रेसिंग हर फीलिंग with her best friend Kitty, that we will discuss in our next class. We are cut shorting our class, today's class here, and today's homework is that you have to write word meanings of this chapter in your copy. Okay students, thank you.